Hi, this is the Astronomia Sky from Jacob & Co. for the Calendar and Astronomy category of the GPHG. The Astronomia Sky adds a sidereal time display and a constellation indicator to the iconic four-arm Astronomia movement. The blue titanium base is actually a celestial dial that makes one full rotation in a sidereal year, and the sidereal month is displayed on the side of the dial, visible through the sapphire crystal side case. Moving on the surface of the celestial dial is the oval sky indicator, which shows the constellations visible on that day in the sky. Setting is easy with the Astronomia Sky app available for your smartphone, developed exclusively for Jacob & Co. The Astronomia Sky takes the Astronomia to another level, incorporating a sidereal time display and astronomical complications.